basically Windows user most of time found this kind of script error. So here I got two error. One is the StartupCheck.vbs and another one is Maintenance.vbs. So if you face such kind of script error, actually this is the script that missing in this location. It's a very simple solution. Just follow me. First of all, create a file, text document of it, and right here w script dot wait, and then click the file, save as, and rename the file name except the error name. So what file is missing? It's a StartupCheck.vbs. So write the exact name is capital. So make sure your name is for exact same. Okay, so then click the right, select the all files and save it to first in your desktop. Okay, so I select the desktop, then I save it. As soon as I save, then here is a file created. So now I cut this file, and come to the Windows File Explorer, local disk, Windows, follow this location. Okay, Windows System32. So Windows local, Windows System32. I faced this file. Continue. It's here. Another one is, click OK. Now another one is Maintenance.vbs. The same, similarly, uh, rewrite, open text document and write w script quit, and again save as, rename the file name exactly you see here, click the all files, make sure the name is exact same, and again select the desktop. Now save. Okay, so here is the file created, and again cut this file. Look, here is the maintenance.vbs where Windows System32. Okay, so come to the file manager, local disk, Windows, find the System32. Okay, paste here, the continue. Okay, so this is the solution, quick solution for missing this script.